Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, you can enjoy beautiful design about hand embroidery and korashia. Korashia embroidery keeps your fine motor skills sharp and your focused mind. Hand embroidery helps many of us to focus, keeping worries and chaotic thoughts of our daily life. Skill development. Embroidery offers opportunities to learn and develop various stitching techniques from basic to complex. As you advance your skills, you can take on more challenging projects and expand your embroidery repertoire. Next to traditions, hand embroidery is a centuries old art form that has been passed down through generations. By practicing it, you connect with the rich history and cultural heritage associated with this craft. It is artistic outlet because hand embroidery is a form of art that allows you to create intricate and detailed design using threads as your medium. This can be a fulfilling outlet for your artistic expression. So this is a home-based business you can enjoy, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.